cute that turned out.
Visiting the best
Oh
friends.
my God, posting that.
Literally, we go to Seattle for pics.
For pictures.
For pics. We're not even gonna try and lie about it.
Can you take one more like that?
It's pouring down rain, and yeah, but look at the view. Look at this. I'm obsessed. I'd say I want to move to Seattle, but everyone will attack me.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh my God, save that. So cute.
So, what's the plan now, ladies?
Um,
Now that we look like wet dogs.
yeah, saying that like traffic's insane at this time. So I don't want to like be stuck in traffic for 2 hours.
Yeah. We'll figure out what we're doing and I'll update you. Bye. All right. To avoid traffic, we're going to Hobby Lobby. I think, right?
Yeah.
Is that where we're going?
Yeah.
Okay. Jordan's gonna send all the pics because she's a good friend and she took them all on her ex. Good friend Jordan. We like Jordan.
We like.
But we out here. The lobby of the hobby.
Living the dream.
Getting stuff for the apartment. Woo woo. Ladies, I admire the stamina. None of us bought anything. Proud of us. Where are we going now? Oh,
TJ Maxx.
TJ Maxx. See you there. All right, here we go. TJ Maxx. So much traffic. How do you feel about it?
Just want to go home.
So, we just watched The Kissing Booth. What's your review?
10 out of 10 would recommend.
Really?
Really good shit. You have to bleep that out though because on YouTube you can't swear though.
Hi, Zoe. Hi, baby. You smell like a wet dog. Yo, yo, yo. We're going to get froyo.
Lit.
We just watched The Kissing Booth. Mixed reviews. Mixed reviews. But I recommend. Amanda does not. So we'll update you on how our froyo looks. Little sneak peek, it's gonna look bomb. So.
Artsy girls.
Amanda, what flavor did you get?
I got cheesecake and mudslide.
Oh, okay. Haley?
Just cheesecake.
Same. And then I loaded it with chocolate and caramel goodness. We're happy girls.
Num num.
After playing some Just Dance and you guys saw us getting froyo, it's bedtime.
Good night.